Hello, and welcome to Erwin Data Modeler 2020 R1, What's New? As the data governance company, Erwin provides enterprise modeling, breaking down the organizational and technical silos for collaboration across key data and business architectures. Data cataloging and data literacy software enables you to automate your data operations and provide business users with better visibility and understanding of the data they need to be more effective. Together, these products comprise the Erwin Edge platform that creates an enterprise data governance experience to facilitate strategic collaboration between IT and the business. So let's take a look at Erwin Data Modeler 2020 R1. So here is the agenda. We will look at the Erwin DM UI revamp as well as some new scheduling functionality, new DBMS support, and enhanced support for currently supported DBMSs. And we will wrap it up with information on the query tool, updates to licensing, integration bridges, productivity enhancements, third-party tools, and a note on SAP ASC support for the Erwin Mart. Let's start with the most notable change, the Erwin DM UI. In short, the implementation is similar to current MS Office products and is limited to the main workspace UI. All sub-UI components, guided editors, complete compare, and so on have not changed. So let's look at what's new. As you can see, the Erwin Data Modeler user interface has been completely revamped with a Microsoft Office-like ribbon-based appearance. Not only has the UI been updated, but you can also choose a theme to apply to your interface. This is the colorful theme. Here, the black theme, the light theme, and finally the dark theme. You can also change the toolbar font size. The large font is shown here. This should satisfy the many requests received for this improvement. And here is an example of extra large toolbar font. You can also minimize the toolbar for more workspace, or switch the screen orientation from left to right. Models can be displayed as tabs, cascaded, displayed horizontally, or vertically. We encourage you to try it out and expect you will quickly become more productive with the overall use of Erwin DM. Okay, next up, the new scheduler. The DM scheduler located under the Tool tab allows you to schedule reverse engineering of your DBMS and complete compare between your physical models and your DBMS. The scheduler enables you to define and schedule reverse engineering and perform complete compare jobs in advance and run them without interrupting your Erwin DM usage. This will help improve your productivity by enabling you to plan and run reverse engineering jobs when workstation resources are relatively free to use. When scheduling a job, you have the option to run it immediately, on a recurring basis, or as a one-time run in the future. You can also label and categorize your scheduled jobs for easy viewing in the calendar. When setting up your job, you will be able to configure your reverse engineering with all the standard parameters. Also, you can designate that your reverse engineering job will be part of a complete compare process. You can compare to an Erwin model as a standalone or from the Mart. Provide a name for your model and your DBMS credential to finish the scheduling of your job. Your scheduled jobs will appear on the scheduler calendar and can be edited here. As you can see, being able to schedule these actions during off hours with low processing overhead can facilitate the reverse engineering of your large DBMS environments. Okay, Erwin DM 2020 R1 is the first release to support Redshift 1.0. Erwin DM now provides full native support for Redshift 1.0. You can reverse engineer, compare models to the DBMS, and forward engineer. And here are the specific Redshift options available. Moving on, we have improved functionality for existing DBMSs. Here is a summary of updated features. You may want to pause to read through the list. Let's look at some specifics. Here we see DB2 for LUW, Linux, Unix, Windows. And here are the options that are available. Next, MS SQL Server up to and including 2019. And you can take a moment to review the details here. For PostgreSQL, these are the options that are available. And for Oracle up to and including 18C, these options are available. In addition, Erwin DM now supports 128-character table and column names. Okay, our next topic. Backed by popular demand, the ODBC Query Tool. The Query Tool has been reintroduced to Erwin Data Modeler. It provides a convenient way to execute SQL select queries against a model in Erwin DM, a model in the MART, or against a database catalog. You can execute queries like this where we are listing the user-defined properties in a model. This is a handy tool that many modelers will take advantage of. Okay, let's talk about licensing. Licensing can now support network domain and IP subnet-based usage restrictions. Also, the edition drop-down allows end users to choose the edition license they require. And finally, to support cloud environments, there is the option for long-term checkout for cloud-based concurrent licenses. Okay, a quick mention regarding integration bridges. Integration bridges have been reintroduced to Erwin Data Modeler. These bridges provide integration capabilities with about 100 industry-leading metadata products in the form of a wizard. All right, last section, productivity enhancements. Complete Compare has been enhanced with a quick compare option set ready to use, as well as a speed option. This prevents unnecessary comparison of extra items. We have updated the supertype-subtype transformation to retain separate logical and physical constructs for identity and roll-up option selections. Deletion of a relationship offers the option of converting migrated foreign key attribute column into an owned attribute column of the child entity table. The database target server dialog box can be accessed by clicking the database name displayed on the status bar in the physical model. Overall MART and MART report performance has been improved. For example, MART sync is no longer required before report generation. And MART open dialog box now displays the number of entities, attributes, and relationships. And finally, here is the information on the upgraded version of third-party tools, Tomcat, OpenJDK, and OpenSSL. Last but not least, Erwin DM 2020 R1 no longer supports SAP ASE for Erwin MART. So that's it, a quick review of what's new in Erwin DM 2020 R1. For more information, visit erwin.com. Thanks for watching.